Hi, I'm Angela Sewell from Boone High School in Orlando, Florida. Today's vocabulary concept of the day is sovereignty. Sovereignty is independent legal authority in a particular territory. It means that a government is free from interference from other governments interfering within that territory or telling them what to do. An example of a sovereignty issue in current events right now is Ukraine. Um, they we're a sovereign government, but now Russia has come in and disrupted and is trying to take them over. And so that's a huge sovereignty issue. Governments get really upset about interferences with sovereignty, and so it's a big deal. Sometimes with countries, when they join a supranational organization, then they cede a little bit of that sovereignty. So they agree to the rules of the organization. So an organization like the UN, to be part of that, you're giving up a little bit, or the European Union, you give up some of your powers as a government in order to be part of that group and then get the economic benefits.